Okay, so now we're going to go over gradient. And gradient, again, is the same thing as grade. It is the slope of the land, but instead of being expressed as a percent, it's expressed as two different units. So what I am going to ask is to find the gradient in feet per mile. So again, let's say that we have point A, and point A has an elevation of 600 feet, and point B has an elevation of 180 feet. And we see that the distance between these two is measured at 12 miles. How are we going to figure out the gradient between point A and B in a straight line distance?
Well, you would
Brandon?
find the rise again.
All right, rise equals what?
It'd be 600 minus 180, which is 420.
Is it?
Is it?
Yes, it is.
And
The run,
will be the 12 miles.
and since we have 12 and it's in the unit miles, do we need to change anything? No, we don't. So we have 420 feet over 12 miles. How many feet per mile?
5280.
Yes, but yes, but we're not. So we just had somebody from the grandstand shout out 5280, which is
5 tomatoes.
fantastic. They have 5 tomatoes, which is fantastic that she knows how many feet are in 1 mile. Do we need to know that?
No.
No, we don't. What do we need to do here?
You divide the 420 by 12.
Go ahead.
And you get 35
35 feet
per mile.
per mile. What that literally means is that for every mile that you walk, you decrease in elevation or increase in elevation 35 feet. So that's how we come up with gradient. In the next example, we're going to pick 2 points on our map and find the gradient between those, which is going to be a very similar question to what you're asked to do in your quiz and your test. And if you think about it, it asks a lot of you. If you pick 2 points up here, it makes you be able to find the elevation of those points. It makes you be able to find the distance between those points, and then it tests your knowledge of finding the grade or gradient between those points. So it's a very good question to ask. It encompasses a lot of things with respect to topographic maps. So we're going to give that one a try next.